Welcome back to Singh Tries. This year, I decided to try growing fenugreek. But instead of ordering seeds, I just bought a container of fenugreek seeds from the spice aisle. I soaked them overnight, planted them, crossed my fingers, and honestly, they've done way better than I expected. I think all the rain we've had this year has made them very happy. Now, it's time to harvest and turn them into one of my favorite, don't feel like cooking but still want something delicious meals. Methi parathas. I planted fenugreek in a few different spots around the garden, so harvesting is a bit like a scavenger hunt. A little over here, a little over there. Apparently I had a planting plan. I just didn't tell myself what it was. And while I'm already outside, I might as well grab some fresh cilantro too. I'm also adding bachwa, which is also known as lamb's quarters. Most people call it a weed. I call it an essential ingredient because these parathas just aren't the same without it. I do have a recipe written down, but I mostly use it to remind myself of the rough ratios. After that, it's a little bit of this and a little bit of that and hope for the best. The flour is also just a mix of whatever I have on hand. Sometimes I add extra chickpea flour, but today is not that day. In go the spices, and somehow we magically end up with dough. Then it's just a matter of kneading and adding a little bit more flour until it feels just right. Technically, I had enough fenugreek to make 100 parathas, but can you ever add too much of it? I think not. Just try not to overthink it. I'll add the lamb's quarters and cilantro at this stage, and if I had the foresight, I would have saved some chopped fenugreek to add here too. It's nice to see those little bits of green when you rip into the flaky dough. But I didn't do that, so use your imagination. Now, roll it out. Here you can see me twisting the dough with ghee to see all those nice flaky layers. But by the time I get to paratha number 50, it's just roti style. Well, I've given up. Notice the shape? Let's all pretend they're perfectly round. Then, into the pan, flip, and repeat. I usually make a big batch and freeze them. They're perfect for those days when I don't feel like cooking, but still want something homemade. Fresh, warm, dipped in a little bit of yogurt, the heat from the chilies. I could eat these every day. Thankfully, fenugreek is a cut and come again plant, so in 2 weeks, I get to do this all over again. Maybe I should have made fewer parathas. Well, thanks for watching. Until next time, we plant, we panic, we make parathas.